Installing the AutoMQ BYOC environment with Terraform mainly involves 2 steps. The first step is to create an AutoMQ console in the user's VPC through Terraform. The AutoMQ console is key to providing a fully managed AutoMQ service. It includes core capabilities such as cluster lifecycle management, topic, group, user, ACL resource management, etc. The second step is to manage the AutoMQ cluster through the AutoMQ Terraform provider, using the inner API of the AutoMQ console. Through these 2 steps, we can complete the creation and management of the AutoMQ console and cluster. The AutoMQ console only needs to be created once during the BYOC deployment. And subsequently, all AutoMQ resources can be managed through Terraform using the method in the second step. First, make sure that the machine where the AutoMQ environment is installed has correctly deployed Terraform and the AWS SDK. Next, we prepare a Terraform file for installing the BYOC AutoMQ console UI. This file will contain the unique environment identifier envid, the output information, and the region you need to install. Output is used to print the public access address and authentication information of the console. The AWS permissions required by the user executing the installation can be referred to the official AutoMQ documentation. Execute Terraform init to complete the initialization operation. Then continue to use Terraform apply to complete the installation of the AutoMQ console. Terraform will automatically install the computing instances and other resources required by the console. After the installation is complete, you will see the access address and the AutoMQ console authentication information printed in the output on the console. Enter the console endpoint address in the browser to access the console. Log in using the authentication information printed by Terraform output. Using Terraform to create and manage is essentially executed through the AutoMQ console as a proxy. So we need to create a service account for the AutoMQ Terraform provider to authenticate when accessing the AutoMQ console REST API. Click on Service Accounts in the left sidebar, and then click on Create Instance to create the service account. After creation, save the access key and secret key for AutoMQ Terraform provider. Through the execution of Terraform in the first step, we have created the AutoMQ console. Next, we refer to the AutoMQ Terraform provider's README to use a new Terraform file to create an AutoMQ cluster, topic, and configure the integration with AWS CloudWatch. Replace the locals variables in the reference example Terraform file with the real console address, service account information, and env. The cluster specifications of AutoMQ are represented by AKU. The region and subnet in the AutoMQ instance configuration need to be replaced with the real information of the user. Execute Terraform init and apply, and wait for a few minutes to complete the creation of the AutoMQ cluster. We can confirm the resources created by Terraform through the AutoMQ console. Through the console, we can see that the AutoMQ Terraform provider has successfully created an AutoMQ instance. This instance has completed the integration with CloudWatch and created an topic called Example1. So far, we have demonstrated the complete process of Terraform, completing the AutoMQ BYOC deployment and usage. For more usage and configuration methods, please refer to the official AutoMQ documentation. Thanks for watching.